template is default, and we can have activity user's case. Okay, you can find the different palettes. Now, and there are many well, you can use when last time we choose the default, and you can see some symbols on the right hand side. But right now we choose the user's case, and you can see that this kind of some symbols here, and you can draw some. Or you can have you have a new one. Say okay, actor. Actor could be anything. A user could be you are a user. Okay, and you try to, for example, you try to management the name list of the students in the university. So you have a user case. User, that means it's a university. Probably it's the office of registration. 注册组，比如说注册组，对不对？注册组呢，这个注册组是一个人，哈，是一个单位。那 what kind of function this user would like to use? Probably比如说是try to get someone the students， 所以这个招生啊，let me see， 这个是，oh no， 这个好。这个是。Probably they have many. Let me see. Or 比如这个你可以退学，看一个退学，退学可能是另外一个城市要做的事情。So probably you have another one. So it just for example, it's the office of registration office, and there are many functions they are trying to. This office is needed. Okay, so these use cases are some module or some system to be developed for the user, for this user. 这样了解吗？好，比如说这个 user actor, the actor could be 注册组。
老师，你那个 actor 是怎么出来的？
你点这个啊。
右边嘛，右上角那个。
哎，你任何东西啊，你点右边点2下，它就会在左边跑出来。Okay, it's very easy. Yeah. She asked how to create a person.
其实图表的，就像这样子一个那个连接的图，跟刚才那个表格图表式的是一样的意思，还是说这是2个独立的？
哦，这是另外一张图。
这已经是另外一张了。
Yeah, actually, okay, there are many files or folders. Okay, and you can see different. Actually, you can draw in a very huge paper, or you can have different papers. So you can create some new. You can create that. new.
没有中奖。
You can. Oh, I'm sorry.
哦，
Actually, you can imagine that's a very, very large paper, electronic paper, and you can draw anywhere. And you use different. What? 谢谢。忘记了。So you can use different symbols to describe the process or the structures. Okay? 哇，这是边等下，这边等。What's going on? Save? Yes. No. Do it again. So, 成大那边，I explain the homework. 成大那边，我们这个 homework 是说，你用这套方法，用UML 去描写我们整个都市计划，比如土地使用的分类，对不对？或者计划，我们这个有国土计划、区域计划、县市综合发展计划，主要计划、新计划，对不对？这些计划本身也形成一个 hierarchy。一个 network， 好，然后呢，每一个计划，比如说主要计划里面，你要有交通的计划，要有人口预测，要有一大堆这些东西，那你怎么表达？你怎么用这个UML 来表达？另外一个，我们 homework 里面要你讲这个 process，the process 都是计划的流程，对不对？你可能要先定目标，收集资料，研拟方案，对不对？等等这些。或者要办公听会，公听会你要找哪些人进来，或者你们如果愿意的话，你就把国光石化找出来，这个它是一个 process， 对不对？从开始，它这个 process 你怎么用 UML 来描写它？好，它是一个 process， 所以 OK，if we go to the process here， sequence， OK， or activity。Okay, activity. So 你可以用it's an activity. You can find a beginning. Okay, and I'm sorry. And here probably so the beginning is here. Okay, the start. Right? And now you have some process. So it's just like to draw a flow chart, right? A flow chart. So you can use this way. And here, so I can explain this for you. So it's a process. The study is a process. It's an activity. And here is a decision, a choice. And you can say the exam pass or fail. So yes or no. When yes, you go this way. No, you go that way. Right? It's a choice. And here is random. It's a parallel processing. So this point, you have to wait the process come to here and this process come to here. And when both of them or all of them are ready, then you can go to the next step. However, here the next step are another parallel process. You can do this process and that process simultaneously， 对不对？所以这个是一个同步的动作。那前面是平行处理，这里做这边的，那两边的都要做到都结束了，跑到这边的时候，这个才算是 OK， 然后才能够往底下走。底下走是另外一个 process， 平行处理。好 ，OK， here is call taxi and here's taxi arrived. That means this symbol means this system, this your process send a message to another process or to another system. For example, you make a call, it's called taxi. So taxi is another operation, another system. But you make a call taxi. That means you send a message to another system. Okay? And this one is your system receive a message from another system. 所以呢 for example, someone sent an email to you. Then you have to, if you receive an email from the professor, then you have to do your homework or correct your homework, something like that. So probably you send the email to the professor. When you finish your homework, you send your homework to professor. That's you use this symbol. And professor, professor will have this symbol to waiting for your homework. And when the professor got your homework, and he will correct it to review your homework and then make some comment on it and send back to you. So at that time, professor use this symbol to send email back to you. And for you, you have use this symbol to receive email from the professors. Understand? Okay? So, and here another parallel process. So the system probably you send email here and it just wait. It probably just wait, get to some sleep, and professor busy, and wait for professor send the message back to you, and you work again. Right? And here's another process, and here this point it means okay when all of them arrived, then you do to the next step. Okay, there's activities. Okay? So, in the homework, I would like you to describe the process of planning. For the NCKU student, you describe the urban planning process. Probably you can describe a new case, a real case. Okay, you'll be very interested. I believe so. Okay, or you can choose any interesting process. You can describe it. Yeah.
This, in a flow chart.
Yes, in a flow chart and then the structure, the object structures. Yeah, I just show you the university, college, the relation between them, the objects. Okay.
Two different parts.
Yeah, two different parts. Because here in this flow chart or this process, you may change the status of the object, right? For example, the homework is an object, right? Homework is the object. So probably you will modify or create or write a homework somewhere at that time. Actually, you modify or you create your homework, right? And the professors modify your homework or add some comment on your homework. Homework is the object, right? Professor is the object. You are an object, right?